Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming permissions and essentials. A server where you can add a bot and either an API key or an invited bot with YouTube scopes. Once done, pick the bot variant that matches your goals, playback, notifications, or playlist management, and invite it using OAuth with Connect, send messages, and voice permissions. Make sure the bot's role is above channel-specific roles for voice control. This gets you into the dashboard or server UI, so you can begin configuring channels and voice access right away. Next, you configure how the bot behaves. In the dashboard or via /commands, set the default voice channel it should join and the text channel for commands. This prevents accidental joins. Then connect the YouTube API key or authorize the bot account so it can fetch streams and metadata. This avoids rate limits. Once connected, adjust queue behavior, autoplay preferences, and playback quality to balance bandwidth and latency. Make sure to test with short URLs, then add playlists or subscribe to channels for notification. To finish, run through a full test. Invite the bot to voice, cue a YouTube link, then test play, pause, skip, and volume. You want to confirm the bot can manage the queue and that playback quality meets expectations. If it fails, check permissions first. Connect and speak are common culprits, then inspect bot logs and API quota for denied requests. If latency or disconnects persist, change the voice channel region and reduce quality. One key tip: enable verbose logging temporarily to pinpoint API failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.